With over 36.5 million Americans now playing pickleball, I'm seeing more and more players in my office with foot and ankle injuries that could have been prevented. Today, I'm going to share what I've learned from treating hundreds of pickleball players, showing you exactly why these injuries happen and the simple steps you can take to keep yourself on the court and out of my office. Stay tuned because what you learn today could save your pickleball season. Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Schneider. I'm a podiatrist in Houston, Texas. In my practice, I specialize in treating and preventing sports injuries, and lately, pickleball injuries have become increasingly common. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to help others find this important information. Let's start with something remarkable. Pickleball has grown by over 200% in recent years, becoming the third most popular participation sport in America, right after biking and running. But with this explosive growth, I'm seeing a concerning trend in my office, a surge in foot and ankle injuries that could have been prevented. The most common injuries I'm treating are Achilles tendonitis, ankle sprains, and plantar fasciitis. Let's break down why these injuries occur and how the specific movements in pickleball contribute to each one. Achilles tendonitis typically develops from the quick starts and stops required in pickleball. Your Achilles tendon works like a spring, storing and releasing energy with each movement. When this tendon isn't properly warmed up or is overworked, it becomes inflamed and painful. The pain usually starts as a mild discomfort, but can quickly progress to severe pain that limits your ability to play. Ankle sprains in pickleball often happen during lateral movements, especially when reaching for wide shots or changing direction quickly. The ankle rolls outward, stretching or tearing the ligaments on the outside of your ankle. What makes these injuries particularly concerning is that once you've had one ankle sprain, you're more likely to experience another unless you take proper preventative measures. Plantar fasciitis develops when the thick band of tissue on the bottom of your foot becomes inflamed. In pickleball players, this often occurs from the combination of quick movements and improper footwear. The pain is typically worse in the morning or after periods of rest, and while it might seem to improve during play, continuing to play without addressing the underlying cause can lead to chronic problems. Let's talk about prevention, starting with a proper warm-up routine. This isn't just a few toe touches or ankle circles. You need a comprehensive approach that prepares all the structures in your feet and ankle for the demands of the game. Start with ankle mobility exercises. Point and flex your feet 20 times. Then make circles in both directions. Next, practice heel walks and toe walks for about 30 seconds each. This activates the muscles that support your ankle. Follow this with calf raises, both straight leg and bent knee versions, to warm up your Achilles tendon. Balance training is crucial but often overlooked. Stand on one foot while performing small knee bends. As you get stronger, try this with your eyes closed or while moving your free leg. This develops the proprioception, your body's position awareness, that helps prevent ankle sprains. Now let's have an in-depth discussion about footwear, because this is absolutely crucial for injury prevention. Court shoes for pickleball need specific features that running shoes don't provide. Look for a wider base of support, especially in the forefoot, to provide stability during lateral movements. The sole should extend slightly beyond the upper part of the shoe to create a stable platform. The heel counter, that's the back part of the shoe, should be firm and stable. You shouldn't be able to easily compress it with your thumb. This provides crucial ankle support during quick directional changes. Your shoe should flex at the ball of the foot, not in the middle. This helps maintain proper foot mechanics during forward movements while still allowing natural toe off. Look for shoes with non-marking herringbone tread patterns. This provides the right combination of grip and slide that court sports require. Too much grip, and it can cause your foot to stick, leading to knee and ankle injuries. Too little grip increases your risk of slipping. Let's talk about how to recognize early warning signs of the injury. Timing is crucial here. Addressing problems early can mean the difference between a quick recovery and a season-ending injury. Pay attention to any pain that increases during play, particularly if it changes your movement patterns. Watch for swelling that doesn't improve with rest. any clicking or popping sounds, or persistent numbness and tingling. Morning stiffness that lasts more than a few minutes can also indicate developing problems. Prevention isn't just about warm-ups and proper shoes, it's about developing a comprehensive approach to foot and ankle health. This includes regular stretching routines that target not just your calves, but also your plantar fascia, Achilles tendon, and ankle ligaments. I recommend stretching both before and after playing, holding each stretch for 30 seconds and repeating 3 times. Strength training is equally important. Focus on exercises that build ankle stability and foot strength. Try picking up marbles with your toes, doing towel scrunches, and performing resistance band exercises in all directions. Recovery protocols are just as important as preparation. After playing, especially if you've been on the court for more than an hour, start with elevation. Prop your feet up above your heart level for 15 or 20 minutes to help reduce swelling and promote circulation. Ice therapy can be beneficial, but timing is crucial. Apply ice for 15 minutes at a time with at least 45 minutes between applications. Never apply ice directly to the skin. Always use a thin towel as a barrier. Consider compression socks or ankle sleeves, especially if you're playing multiple games. These help maintain good circulation and provide mild support to your muscles and tendons. For long-term injury prevention, consider these strategies. Gradually increase your playing time, no more than 10% increase per week. This allows your tissue to adapt to the demands of the sport. Incorporate rest days into your schedule. Even professional athletes need recovery time, and your feet and ankles are no different. Regular maintenance stretching and strengthening, even on days you're not playing, helps to maintain flexibility and strength needed for safe play. Consider custom orthotics if you're having any underlying foot mechanics issue. This can help distribute the pressure more evenly and provide the specific support your feet need. If you do experience an injury, early intervention is key. Most injuries, when caught early, can be treated conservatively without requiring significant time away from the game. Don't wait until you can barely walk to seek treatment. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please share it with your pickleball partners. The link to schedule an appointment is in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos about keeping your feet and ankle healthy for pickleball and other activities. Remember, prevention is always better than treatment. Have a great day and stay safe on the courts.